uh, had a school pickup, Park Tudor here, Park Tudor High School. Pull up thinking, if this is a student, I'm going to ghost him. And this one was kind of funny just because he comes up to the car. Now, I lock my doors and have the other side window down just about this much where I can holler out at him if I need to. And I see somebody approaching the car, looking at my car, and I don't really give any eye contact. I just, go about my business. Pull up I'm caught in the student pickup line, so I'm waiting in this lemming line with the rest of them. And he comes up, looks at the car, and tries the door, and he said, "Hey, are you Uber?" And I didn't really say anything at first because he's obviously underage. He's tall for his age, but he's underage. He's wearing school uniform. I mean, he's a student. So he says, "You Uber?" I'm like, "Yeah, well, I was waiting for an adult." And he says, "No." He says, "No, it's just me." If he hadn't have tried to do the fake deep voice, I would, because I asked him how old he was. I said, "Well, I was waiting for an adult. How old are you?" And he's like, I just turned 18. And his best deep voice that he could do. If he hadn't faked the deep voice and said, "Hey, I just turned 18," even in a younger voice, I would have probably went for it and unlocked the door and just went, "You're probably lying to me, you little shit." Anyway, you don't know. I guess I could have asked him for his date of birth and ID, but I'm not gonna go do all that crap. Unaccompanied minor, see you later, nice try. You ever have that happen? Don't be picking up these minors, man. They're gonna cause trouble. And plus, well, not necessarily cause trouble, but if you get in any kind of accident, it's you that's gonna get in trouble. And I'm not even sure how the insurance works if you pick up an underage. Are they insured to be a rider? Because they're not allowed on the platform. There's something to think about too. So anyway, you ever have that kind of stuff happen? What lengths do minors go to try and get you to pick them up? Have they ever offered you a cash tip? I have. "Oh man, I'll give you money. I'll give you money, bro. We're just going down the road." Or, "Can you take 5 of us?" Yeah, that's always fun. "Yeah, I want all 5 of you yahoos in my car." No, not happening. Anyway, like, subscribe, share. Check you next time. Driver Mojo out.